Welcome to our SAP purchase order and document attachment tutorial. Today, we'll walk you through how to seamlessly attach documents and information to a purchase order for your vendors and automatically distribute them as a package. Let's dive in. First, we'll navigate to the purchase order module. Here, we can see our purchase order and preferred vendor alongside an item. This item is linked to documents stored within the material record. Within the material record, we can access the document data tab to find the document records. These records serve as pointers to the SAP document management system, where our files are stored. Back in the purchase order module, we can attach additional line items, materials, and even external documents. However, documents attached directly from URLs or local files are not document controlled and should be used with caution. Next, we access message control to configure the distribution of our purchase order. We repeat the output for our vendor and specify the medium type, whether it's printing, EDI, or email. Now, here's where Seal Systems comes in. As we retrieve the pointers to all the files we wish to include, Seal Systems seamlessly collects and packages them into a single PDF. And voila! The PDF package includes a cover sheet and all the attached documents, complete with stamps and watermarks dynamically added at the time of output. As we scroll through the PDF, we can see various documents, including terms and conditions, CAD drawings, and graphics. Each document is stamped with relevant information for easy reference. Finally, the package can be sent via email, generated as a web page, or distributed through EDI or a portal, completing the purchase order process with attachments and automated distribution. And that's it. Now you know how to attach documents to your SAP purchase orders and distribute them effortlessly.